fix you have not allowed Facebook access to your camera and microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on apps. Now select on manage apps over here and tap on the search bar to search for Facebook application over here. So let's search for Facebook, and it might take few seconds to get the app loaded over here. So let's tap on the app and scroll down, then tap on the option of app permissions. So as you tap on app permissions, you have two sections, allowed and not allowed category. So as you scroll down on not allowed, you can see camera, microphone, location, calendar and nearby devices has been not allowed. So simply all you have to do is go to each option and allow them. So this will give access to this option, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.